In our opinion, Fab Fit Fun did a Fab Fit fail for the first item knit and customized. Yep. I picked some slippers by a company called Intentionally Blank. And I know what word I'd like to put in that blank. This is one of the pair of slippers. There are two for the sake of the fact that they're hard to hold. I'm just going to hold up one of them. What first attracted me to them was this nice color. It goes with a lot of things. Yes, it does, for lounging around the house. I also liked the textured rubberized type sole. That way I can wear them out on the patio to water the plants. I could go out to the garage. I could go to the corner and pick up the mail. You know, it's something I can wear outside and not ruin the bottom. Except for the fact that they're going to ruin the bottom of my feet on the inside. That is a fail. Yep. This part that she's touching right now, it is very sharp and rough. And it extends all the way through to the front of the slipper. And what I find is that it digs into the bottom and the side of my foot. So these are a fail, which is unfortunate. I have contacted FabFitFun to say that I think the product is, if not defective, at least poorly made. I don't know if I will get any type of a cashback or a bonus item or a however they would rectify the issue. I don't know. I only contacted them this morning. The box arrived last night. So this is the problem here. It's just very sharp and rough, poorly made, in my opinion. They want $68. You gotta be kidding. I wouldn't give you the $8. Did you get these? Let us know. We are curious to know if anyone else got these and what they think. She's much happier with customization number 2. Yes, in that category, I picked the pajamas. I was concerned. I'd heard that they were like a rayon polyester, and I thought, oh, no, I don't know. But everyone kept saying, oh, they're soft. The material is soft. They weren't kidding. This material is soft. The name of the company, I had it here, is Honeydew. I got mine in a medium large just because I like a little room. And let's try and hold this up here, Miss Fatima. If we can get some of the fabric to show. There we go. It's a nice Christmassy color. There's even a pocket on the front of the top. The pants have a drawstring. The pants are a little wider at the bottom than what I would normally wear. Then again, this is pajamas. I'm wearing it around the house. I'm not going to the store in my pajamas. So I'm very pleased with those, and the price, in case I forgot to mention it, was $59. Normally I don't spend that much on a pair of PJs, yet in a box that is costing me $55, you're coming out ahead of the game. Exactly. Third customization is an 18-ounce, I'm going to call it a mug. 18 ounces, I believe it's $30. It's from a company called Swell. I have one of their insulated mugs in a larger size, and I'm very pleased with it. So when I saw the opportunity to get another one, I pounced. So this is what it looks like, and I don't know if it's going to show up too well. It's got cute little indentations all the way around the bottom. And it has a good, if I can get it back up here, it's not cooperating. Easy to move on that part for drinking purposes or to keep it closed. I will often put a reusable straw in there if I'm just going to be sitting around, and then I find that is easier. But in any case, I was happy to find this in the box, and like I said, I do believe its retail is listed as $30. Yep, $30 for an 18 ounce. The next thing she picked was a deodorant balm. Yeah, in as much as I don't like getting my hands goopy, this was, to me, an interesting opportunity to try something different. And the suggested retail for this one is $29. Now, it says it's Orange Grove. Now, my warped little brain took that as meaning it's going to be scented orange. I could be incorrect on that one. I might have misunderstood, because I'm wondering if the company is called Orange Grove. That's the information on the front of it. On the back, when I read the itty bitty little print, apparently, normally this would come with a spatula for application, is the gist that I got. In any case, I can always apply this with a disposable cloth or with a reusable cloth. There's, as the old saying goes, more than one way to skin a cat. No cats were harmed in the filming of this video. And this is a 50 milliliter product, and at the bottom it says AKT. So now I'm starting to wonder if that's the brand name. This is getting to be confusing. Yeah, kind of confusing, but like I said, I try to not pick beauty items because, you know, I get those in so many other boxes. I try to keep this to homestead items. Yeah, this caught my attention, so we'll see what happens. Next up is from the brand Unhide. It is 2 pairs of socks, and oh, they are soft. Oh, I like these. And there's 2 pairs, so that means that there's 4 of them. 1 for each hoof. Well, I thought you might let me borrow them. Oh, what am I gonna do with her? Well, she could share. I could share. The colors for this pair are gray and a dusty rose, and they are soft. I wish they had those little grippy things on the bottom so I'm not sliding across the tile floor, but they are soft. And they have a suggested retail of, and it's somewhere on this list, $38. We're not sure on this product name brand. I don't know if that's an S or a G, but in any case, there's some bling here. This is what Anne chose. They are earrings, and oh, I like that bling. I thought these were fun. A little bit bigger than maybe what I normally wear, but something fun. This is them from the profile side. They are cubic zirconia, and gold plated, so it's not the real thing, but I thought they would be fun. After much pondering, Anne decided that my favorites are the pajamas and that deodorant balm, because just I'm curious to know what it is, how it works, does it work, does it not work? And I'm definitely excited for those pajamas. So taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, the annual price for the box has gone up to $65. I'm still locked in at my $55 price for another couple of boxes. So that's a plus. Although even at $65 a box, the total for this box was $284. That's still a good return on the investment. Yes, it is. There were a good variety, I think, to choose from. There were housewares. There were things like what I picked. There were some other beauty products. So it was a good variety. Unfortunate fail on the slippers. And I have contacted Fab Fit Fun. Haven't heard anything back yet. But I just contacted them right before I filmed this, so we shall see how or what they say. I will probably put that up in a short somewhere. I don't know if it's going to go up in December or in January. Not for sure on that one. But overall, despite the fail, I am pleased with the other items. Did you see something that you liked? Let me know, let me know. Did you get this box? What did you pick? I want to know all the details. Tell me the tea. I want to know it all because I am curious cow. Thank you for watching today. We do appreciate it. We have lots of holiday and Advent things coming up here and going on. So consider subscribing to our channel. We would definitely appreciate that. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. I'm sounding redundant. Hope to see you soon.